What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a regular basis, so please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I would also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $167 per hour by just watching simple videos. Let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. I say that because I have already signed up for this site and I'm in the process of getting verified. So all you need to sign up for this website is your email address, phone number, and one piece of photo ID, and they will verify you and you will start earning, right? So the website is called Coinbase and is the easiest place to buy, sell, and manage all your cryptocurrency portfolio. And they have an amazing program right now that's going on. You want to jump in as soon as possible to start earning $167 per hour. Let's look into how the earnings work. So you would earn 167, right? So discover how Pacific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each, right? And these are the earnings for different cryptocurrencies. You would earn $3 for just watching a simple video, a 3-minute or 2-minute video. And after that, you would just do a quick quiz and you would earn $3 for GRT and so on. So this one actually pays $43, right? So think about that, $43 just to watch a simple video and answering a few questions, right? And then Maker, you would earn up to $6. And then Cello, I've actually done this one here, but I haven't really fully gotten verified yet, so my earnings haven't gotten to the account just yet. But it's pretty simple what the currency is. And let's click on Start Earning to see how easy it is to start learning and earning at the same time, right? So to sign up is pretty simple. You just click on the Get Started. You will fill up the few details there. We'll jump into that in a minute. But I just want to share the different cryptocurrencies that are available. So they just basically explain what it is, and you start the course here. Let's actually click on that. So it kind of tells you lesson 1, you earn $1. Lesson 2, you would earn another $1 here. Lesson 3, another $1, right? Go back here and have a look into Maker, right? So earn $2, 2-minute video. Let's click on that. I just want to show you how it actually works, right?
MakerDAO is a decentralized organization whose core mission is to enable greater financial freedom and to level the economic playing field for everyone, including those looking for more control over their assets or those living in economies suffering from hyperinflation. It does this via the Maker protocol and its 2 native tokens, DAI and MKR. The Maker protocol is a decentralized finance or DeFi application that allows its users to borrow funds by supplying collateral.
There you have it, guys. I just don't want to play the whole video just for the sake of time, but you do see here as summarized the description of what Maker DAO is. And yeah, you can start earning by just signing in, and that's it. Once your account gets verified, right? There are tons of different cryptocurrencies that you can learn about, and this being one of the highest earning cryptocurrencies right now. So you get paid $59, guys. That's insane, right? So let's click on that and have a look here. So lesson 1, $3, 3-minute video, $3, 3-minute video again. It goes on and on, right? And then advanced lessons, $10. You know, once you do all the easy stuff, you get into a little bit harder ones, and obviously the pay is good. It's 15 minutes, right? So it gets even better, guys. So you actually can invite your friends and earn up to additional $40, right? When your friends start earning too. So it's pretty amazing. And refer, you would get $10 for each eligible friend who completes a lesson. So literally start referring your friends and you can start earning more money, right? Then Stellar, $50, guys. 50. Let's actually click on that here. So lesson 1, you would earn up to $2 for a 2-minute video. It goes on and on. Wow, guys, you just want to jump on this right now. And they also pay you to invite your friends, right? So you get paid up to $40 when your friends start earning again. So it's amazing, guys. It can't get any easier than this right now. So you might be wondering how you would get paid the $167 that you would earn. It's simple. They pay through PayPal. All you have to provide is your PayPal account. If you don't have one already, you can head over to PayPal. All right, guys, so to get started, you just need to head over to coinbase.com, right? Coinbase.com and sign up for, let's see here, sign up. So you just click on get started and just fill in your first name, last name, email, choose a password, and you must be 18 years or older, right? And just agree to the terms and conditions here. And boom, your account will be created right away, and you will just go through the verification process. I've actually just gotten an email from Coinbase telling me that my account has been verified and I can start actually earning. So I will actually end this video here to go and earn $167 per hour, guys.
Develop the ability to act, take action. Not hasty if it isn't required, but don't lose much time. Here's the time to act. When the idea is hot and the emotion is strong. That's the time to act. You say, Mr. Ron, I'd like to have a library like yours. See, if you feel strong about that, what you got to do is get the first book and then get the second book. Before the feeling passes and before the idea gets dim, action pronto, action immediate, action as soon as possible. Because if you don't, here's what happens. We call it the law of diminishing intent. We intend to when the idea strikes us. We intend to when the emotion is high. But now if you don't translate that into action fairly soon, now the intent starts to diminish. And a month from now, it's cold. A year from now, can't be found. So act. Set up a discipline when the emotions are high and the idea is strong and clear and powerful. That's the time to set up the discipline. Somebody talks about good health and you're stirred. Say, right, I need to get a book on nutrition. Get the book before the idea passes and before the emotion gets cold. Go for the book. Start the library. Start the process. Fall on the floor. Do some push-ups. Action. Got to take action. Otherwise, the wisdom is wasted. Otherwise, the emotion soon passes. Unless you put it into a disciplined activity. Capture it. Disciplines is called how to capture the emotion and how to capture the wisdom and translate it into equity. Disciplines. Now here's what's important about disciplines. All disciplines affect each other. In fact, here's a good philosophical phrase. Everything affects everything else. Nothing stands alone.